Aunty Rose kitchen cooking up a dish. Very, very quickly, very nutritious. Oh, this is a delicious plate. Look at this dish. And this dish will feed around 4 people. Comfortable. Lunch, dinner, wonderful dish. Very quick, 15 minutes. Aunty Rose kitchen. Hi everyone, this is Aunty Rose kitchen here again. Today what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make quick pasta dish. I'm going to use this angel hair pasta. I'm going to use my basil sauce, crushed peppers, onions, and my garlic, tomatoes, red peppers, Parmesan cheese, salt, peppers of course. From Aunty Rose kitchen, what I do, I separate some of the pasta because this is going to be very quick. Water is already boiling. A little salt. Swish your pasta very, very quickly. Also, I have my hot sausages over here. The onions, I cut it already. Everything is already diced. And also garlic and my lovely tomatoes. Now, the pasta, it's a very easy dish to cook because it's like you're coming from work and you need something very, very quick. You don't need to be over the stove the entire hours and hours. You can fix something very, very quick and something very nutritious. Because of course, yes, the basil sauce is very nutritious also, and pasta is a very nutritious dish. The sausages are browning over here. Wow, the aroma. And of course, yes, these are hot sausages. I prefer to use hot sausages in a lot of my dishes. Pasta almost cooked. Few more minutes. I'm going to put the onions and the garlic. Okay. The sausages. Oh, the aroma. Awesome. Wow. I love red peppers. And here you have your tomatoes. These are from my garden also, so I had put them in the refrigerator. Summertime I planted a nice little garden. I have tomatoes. I have cucumbers sometimes. And I have peppers also. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take these over. You can hear the sizzling sound. Wow. Can you smell it? Wow. Aunty Rose kitchen cooking up a dish. Oh my God. Very, very quickly, very nutritious. Okay, let me check on my pasta again. Should be now ready. Wow, it's now ready. Wow. Look at this pasta, very, very quick cooking. Ooh, angel hair pasta. Very nice dish. I could also use a calendar, but I prefer to do it this way because of course you get rid of all the water. You have to put love in your cooking. So be yourself. Nothing extra, nothing putting on. This is me and this is my kitchen and this is my cooking. Aunty Rose kitchen. Turn off this burner. Wow, look at this. Tomatoes, the peppers, the garlic and the onions. I'm gonna just spoon it over here. Wow, Aunty Rose kitchen cooking. The aroma, my whole entire kitchen. Wow. Look at this. Scrape everything over on it. The juice. Wow. And then my Parmesan cheese. If you like cheese. And of course, yes, the sauce. And of course, yes, you can put a little black pepper. Wow, wow, wow. The aroma. Aunty Rose's kitchen. Oh, this is a delicious plate. Look at this dish. And this dish will feed around 4 people comfortable. Lunch, dinner, wonderful dish, very quick, 15 minutes. Aunty Rose Kitchen. Always. Thank you for all the views that you have given me. And please subscribe to Aunty Rose's Kitchen. Thank you.